Inspired by its mobile phones, Samsung's new laptops are built with the mobile warrior in mind. They're thinner and lighter, powerful but long-lasting, support 5G, some even have an S Pen. Hi, I'm MICHAELJOSH, your gadget matchmaker, helping you find the right device to match your needs. In this video, we'll take a look at the new Samsung GalaxyBook Pro Series and tell you about all the new features you should be excited about. Remember when Samsung teased the most powerful Galaxy is coming? They were referring to these new laptops, their GalaxyBook Pro Series. Now, we've had Galaxy Books before, but none with the Pro moniker. So expect a lot of performance, power, and features. All of this notwithstanding, these two are the thinnest and lightest Galaxy Books ever. There are two models in this series, the GalaxyBook Pro and the GalaxyBook Pro 360. Both come in 13.3 and 15.6 inch screen sizes to pick from. In this video, we'll showcase a 15.6 inch GalaxyBook Pro in Mystic Blue and a 13.3 inch GalaxyBook Pro 360 in Mystic Bronze. In the US, the GalaxyBook Pro is also available in Mystic Silver, and the GalaxyBook Pro 360 is also available in Mystic Navy. Both are milled from 6000 series aluminum, so expect them to be durable. And given that their being thin and light is a major highlight, let's talk some numbers. The 13.3-inch GalaxyBook Pro is 11.2 millimeters thin and 870 grams heavy. Or should I say, light. This 15-inch GalaxyBook Pro is just a smidgen over a kilo, light enough to balance on my palms. So, how is the GalaxyBook Pro different from the GalaxyBook Pro 360? Well, if you take a look here, you'll find that the hinge mechanism on the Pro 360 is different, allowing you to open it all the way, flip the screen around, and use it like you would a tablet. I know you've seen the S Pen, we'll talk about it in a little bit. You can also prop it up in tent mode for watching movies. The GalaxyBook Pro only opens to about here, so it's just a laptop. Only the Pro 360 comes with an S Pen. We've seen S Pens before on the Galaxy Note series, the Galaxy Tab, and laptops like the GalaxyBook Flex. The S Pen that comes bundled with the Pro 360 is much larger, meant to mimic the size of an actual pen, making it more comfortable to use for longer periods of time. The S Pen doesn't require a battery and is powered by Wacom technology. It works just like on the Galaxy Note, just press on this button to bring up air actions. And from here, you can dive into Samsung Notes. When you're done, you can just magnetically attach it to the lid, and it should stay there when you casually move around your space. But I recommend that you store it separately. Depending on your needs, you might also want to look into port selection. Only the GalaxyBook Pro has a full-sized HDMI port and a USB-A port. The GalaxyBook Pro 360 has 3 USB-C ports instead of 2, one of which supports Thunderbolt 4. Both have a headphone/microphone port and a micro SD card slot. Later this year, Samsung is also releasing the GalaxyBook Pro 360 with 5G support, but only on the 13.3-inch model. Both the GalaxyBook Pro and Pro 360 come with the latest 11th gen Intel Core processors, Iris X graphics chips, up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, and up to 512 gigabytes of solid-state storage. There's a fingerprint scanner built into the power button, and an improved front camera, because of course, video calls are part of our new normal. But the hardware feature that you should be excited about is its Super AMOLED display. Not just because it's the same tech that's used on Samsung's top-of-the-line smartphones, but because this is the first time Samsung laptops come with AMOLED displays. Samsung is an industry leader when it comes to displays, so it's no surprise that these ones look good, with rich, vibrant colors and great contrast. Paired with AKG-tuned speakers with Dolby Atmos, they're perfect for movies on the go. Or, until then, movies at home. Samsung promises all-day battery life, regardless of which model you pick. The GalaxyBook Pro and Pro 360 are powered by 68 watt-hour and 63 watt-hour batteries, respectively, and come with a universal 65-watt Type-C fast charger. Universal in the sense that Samsung believes you only need to pack this one charger for your Galaxy smartphone, Galaxy Tab, and your new GalaxyBook Pro. Speaking of, the charger is not much larger than any smartphone charger, which is definitely worth mentioning because what good is a thin and light laptop if it comes with a massive, clunky power brick? As I have yet to get my hands on a review device, I have no battery tests to speak of, but Samsung says a 30-minute charge will give you about 8 hours of battery life. You can pre-order the GalaxyBook Pro and Pro 360 starting today, April 28th. They will also be available in-store and online on May 14th. I'll put pricing up on the screen. The GalaxyBook Pro starts at $999, while the GalaxyBook Pro 360 starts at $1199. And if you pre-order before May 13th, you are also eligible to get $150 in future credit if ordered through Amazon, a $150 gift certificate through Best Buy, and either up to a $150 e-certificate or free Galaxy Buds Pro if you pre-order on Samsung.com or at Samsung Experience stores. And that was a quick look at the GalaxyBook Pro and Pro 360. Are these laptops that you might be excited about? Sound off in the comments section below. I know we published 3 videos back to back to back. There's a lot more coming, so you know the drill. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we upload. Follow me on social media for all the behind the scenes fun stuff. And as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm MICHAELJOSH. Thanks for dropping by.